Hello everyone, and welcome back to Ask Medicaid Florida. Today, we're answering an important question. Can a V-1 visa holder get Florida Medicaid? The answer is, possibly, but it depends on several factors including your immigration status, income, household size, and the specific Medicaid program you are applying for. In this video, we'll explain what a V-1 visa is, who may qualify for Florida Medicaid, and what documents you may need when applying. Let's get started. What is a V-1 visa? A V-1 visa is a special non-immigrant visa issued to certain spouses of lawful permanent residents, also known as green card holders. Congress created the V visa category to help families stay together while waiting for immigrant visa processing. A person with a V-1 visa is generally allowed to live in the United States while waiting for permanent residency processing to be completed. Can V-1 visa holders apply for Florida Medicaid? Yes, V-1 visa holders can apply for Florida Medicaid. However, applying does not automatically mean you will be approved. Florida Medicaid eligibility is determined by several factors including immigration status, income, household size, Florida residency, age, disability status, pregnancy status, other program requirements. Every application is reviewed individually. Immigration status requirements. Medicaid has specific rules regarding immigration status. Some lawfully present immigrants may qualify for Medicaid benefits if they meet federal and state eligibility requirements. When reviewing your application, Florida may request proof of your legal immigration status. Examples of documents that may be requested include V-1 visa documentation, passport, I-94 arrival and departure record, employment authorization documents, permanent resident application documents if applicable. The state will verify your immigration information through federal databases during the application process. Income requirements. One of the biggest factors in Medicaid eligibility is income. Florida Medicaid programs have income limits that vary depending on whether you are pregnant, whether you have children, whether you are elderly, whether you have a disability, household size. Even if you meet immigration requirements, your income must also fall within the limits for the Medicaid category you are applying under. This is why two people with the same immigration status may receive different eligibility decisions. Florida residency requirement. To qualify for Florida Medicaid, you must be a Florida resident. You may be asked to provide proof such as Florida driver's license, lease agreement, utility bill, mortgage statement, other residency documentation. The state must verify that you currently live in Florida. Special Medicaid programs. Certain Medicaid programs may have different eligibility requirements. Examples include Pregnancy Medicaid, Medicaid for children, Medicaid for aged or disabled individuals, Emergency Medicaid. Some applicants who do not qualify for one Medicaid category may qualify for another. Because every situation is unique, it is important to complete an application and allow the state to determine eligibility. Documents you may need. When applying for Florida Medicaid, V-1 visa holders may be asked to provide identification, immigration documents, proof of income, proof of Florida residency, social security number if available, household information, bank account information if required for certain programs. Having these documents ready can help speed up the application process. How to apply for Florida Medicaid. There are several ways to apply. You can apply online through Florida's My Access portal. You can also apply by phone, mail, or through a local Department of Children and Families office. During the application process, make sure all information is accurate and complete. Missing information can delay processing or result in requests for additional documentation. What happens after you apply? After submitting your application, Florida will review your information. The state may approve your application, request additional documents, deny your application if requirements are not met. If additional information is requested, respond as quickly as possible to avoid delays. You will receive a notice explaining the decision. If you are denied, being denied does not always mean you can never receive Medicaid. Many denials occur because documents were missing, income information was incomplete, residency information could not be verified, immigration documentation was not provided. In some situations, applicants can submit additional information or request a review of the decision. Please listen to the next video.